Make money online is not hard. You only need essential instruction and patience to build up a passive income online. Most of online money-making system doesn't require startup cost. So here are some online money-making ideas for 2020. Before getting into the video, please consider subscribing to our channel. We make videos on various topics, and we publish one video per day. So don't forget to subscribe, likes and press the bell icon, so you get notified when we publish a new video. 1. Online surveys. An increasingly popular way for students to make money is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to £3 $5 for some surveys. A few good ones to try are Toluna, Life Points, Inbox Pounds, Opinion Outpost, YouGov, Valued Opinions, Survey Junkie. Also sign up for Swagbucks, which rewards you for surveys as well as simply surfing the web, watching videos and playing games. Link in the description. If you want to sign up, please click the link. 2. Paid for searching the web. Interested in earning cash for doing what you already do online? This has to be one of the easiest methods of making money online without really any effort or change in your behavior. This innovative idea by Qme.com rewards you for searching in Google, Bing or Yahoo. You just install a simple add-on to your browser, and when you conduct a search there may be a few sponsored results alongside your normal search. Each Qme result has a cash reward attached. If you are interested in it, simply click on it and collect your reward. The best thing is there is no minimum to cash out. Our first one was just 50p wired to our PayPal account. You also have the option to donate it to charity. Sign up now for free and start earning from your own searches. Click the link below. 3. Start your own website. Starting a website like niche sites or blog is one of the best ways to make passive income every month. You don't need programming skills to build a website. You can create any website using WordPress and host the site using Bluehost. Bluehost is the best and cheap platform to host sites. Sign up for the Bluehost, link in the description. You can make money by promoting affiliate offers by writing a review of the product or service, selling your courses, make money using Google AdSense and selling your products. Remember, making money using website long and complicated process. Once people start to visit your site, you can make money. 4. Write and publish a Kindle ebook. If students are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Amazon Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device: laptops, iPads, smartphones and yes, Kindles, so your global market is huge. List your book for £1.49 to £6.99 and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering Amazon is the ultimate selling machine, and remember, people are looking to spend, that is a fantastic deal. The key to success with ebooks is to create value, and write nonfiction. Simply bundling information you have researched and compiled on a common problem, e.g. secrets, to finding a job, and then presenting it in an easy-to-digest format, an ebook, justifies someone spending a few quid on it. Another big tip is to have a great cover design so it stands out, and once your book is live on the Kindle store, it's really important to get some reviews so it shows up higher in results. Encourage readers to leave an honest review at the end of your book. 5. Fivver. No matter what type of service you offer, you can likely offer at Fivver. This is terrific for digital services such as graphic design, web design, short audio or video clip creation, editing services, writing and so on. Fivver has expanded beyond just the $5 per gig model. Fivver Pro pools the best talent on its platform. Depending on your skills, you could do considerably well on here. 6. Sell your photos. Have an eye for photography? Of course, you need to be good at this to earn any money, but you can sell photos on Shutterstock or iStockPhoto, along with many others, to generate a passive income from something you might be very passionate about. For a quicker way to earn by taking photos, solicit people looking for photographers to cover their wedding, engagement, child's birthday or any other life event. You'll need a good camera and some experience, but you can definitely earn some much-needed income this way no matter where you live. 7. Tutor students. Parents are always willing to invest in their children's future. If you have a great deal of knowledge in subjects such as math, science or computers, you could tutor for cash. Both Indeed.com and Care.com offer opportunities for tutoring local students. You could opt for either of these platforms or simply find your clients through your personal network or social media. 7. Start a successful podcast. The rise of audio content as a viable content marketing avenue is stronger than ever. 32% of Americans listen to podcasts monthly, that's the same amount of people that go to church regularly. By launching your own podcast, you get to create your own show, discuss topics that are interesting to you, build an audience, and monetize your podcast with ads and sponsorships. To get started in the world of podcasting, you need to choose a podcast hosting company to store your files and share them with all of the major platforms like iTunes, Stitcher, Spotify, and TuneIn. 9. Become a travel writer. If you're traveling the world, it's the perfect opportunity to write about your experiences and get paid for it. That said, making money as a travel writer isn't easy since you must be able to sell your articles or create a revenue-producing travel blog. 10. Teach English. Most people think you need to be living abroad in order to teach English to foreign students. But as GoOverseas.com points out, with video chatting and conferencing growing easier and more reliable every year, teaching English lessons online is another great way to fund your life abroad or at home. For a slew of companies that will set you up with online students, check out this article on Teach Away. Rates for teaching English online can go up to $22 an hour. 11. Create software reviews. If you have strong opinions about software, whether positive or negative, you can get paid for creating reviews. SoftwareJudge.com pays up to $50 for, as they describe it, tell it like it is, no marketing BS, straight talking software reviews. 12. Translate. Do you speak another language? Consider doing translating. Translation positions are plentiful in an ever-melding world with more global travel among those who speak different languages, says FlexJobs, which offers a sampling of available positions. The company Smartling also makes it easy to become a translator. 13. Get Crafty. Are you a crafty entrepreneur? Everyone knows the site Etsy, which is a marketplace for handmade items. But now you can sell your jewelry and other handmade wares on sites like Amazon Handmade, Artfire, Cargo and more. 14. Create videos. Jump on the YouTube vlogging wagon by creating how-to video courses. How do you earn money? Instructors can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password-protecting content for paying customers only, says International Living. Once you have a loyal and engaged following, you can start partnering with brands that will pay a fee to have their product mentioned or reviewed. 15. Be a freelance designer. Are you a talented designer with skills in areas like graphics or web design? You can do what you love and get paid for it on the website 99designs.com, which will allow you to become a part of a global community of designers and bid on jobs. 16. Start dropshipping. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rapidly growing, highlighting its viability as a way to make money online. There's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. In case you don't know what dropshipping is a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product to your customers on your behalf. With Oberlo, you have access to millions of products that you can add to your store. Oberlo also allows you to send suppliers the customer details in only a couple clicks instead of doing the work yourself. 17. Try print on demand. Print on demand is proving to be a popular option too. Graphic designers are turning to the business model to sell their designs on clothing and other products to better monetize their art. With their unique designs, they can create a consistent and established brand for their business. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in the sense that you don't need to carry inventory or ship out products to customers yourself. There are two slight differences though. First, you can add branded labels on packages. Second, shipping costs are exorbitant, making it difficult to create a sustainable business unless you charge higher prices or sell higher quantities. The best way to make money with your print-on-demand business? Free marketing channels. Your best bet would be to promote your products for free on Instagram, Pinterest, or with affordable influencers who convert their audiences well. This will help you make money online instead of breaking even with paid marketing channels like Facebook ads. 18. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can help you make money online. Did you know in 2018, Kylie Jenner made $1 million for every sponsored Instagram post, making her the highest paid influencer? While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller scale influencers can make more money today than they did a year ago. To become an influencer, you need to build a massive following. The easiest platforms to do that: YouTube and Instagram. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gained their first taste of exposure on these platforms. To make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, speaking gigs, create your own online store and sell products, add affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, get paid as a brand ambassador, create a book, get paid to appear at events, and more. 19. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably looking at this money-making idea and feeling a bit stuck. Fortunately, there is a way to have an app made that doesn't involve any programming skills. These days, marketers are using freelance platforms to find affordable developers to create apps for them. When it comes to making money on your app, your best bet will be to add it to Google Play and the App Store. And while it may seem counterintuitive, having a free app can help you make more than a paid app. With a free app, you can add ads or premium features to help you make money. Since the free app will attract a higher volume of people, it'll be easier for you to upsell them. 20. Become a virtual assistant. With so many entrepreneurs building businesses, virtual assistants are becoming an important part of running a business. As a virtual assistant, you'll do a variety of tasks. Writing, order processing, bookkeeping, social media, and customer support are just a few of the tasks you might be asked to do as a virtual assistant. You can earn money online on websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Indeed, or Upwork. Many virtual assistants have also found ways to make money online by reaching out to brands and entrepreneurs asking if they're interested in hiring a virtual assistant. Using a combination of job posting applications and outreach, you'll be more likely to make money fast. Build an active social media presence on Twitter and LinkedIn to help you find new clients.